8 years. 8 years of videos. 8 years of late nights and 8 years of hard work. All gone in minutes. My original channel, 27,000 subscribers and over 6 million views, was hacked. A fake video was uploaded and just like that YouTube deleted everything that I'd built. But here I am, starting over again. I've spent my career as a mechanic, specialising in Fords, Volkswagen, Skodas and now BMW, doing diagnostics, repairs, maintenance and now EV repairs and maintenance. I love showing you how to fix the car. So this channel is about real world repairs, honest advice and keeping the community alive. Whether you're working on a Ford Focus, a Volkswagen Golf, a Ford Transit, a BMW or an EV vehicle, hopefully this channel will have you covered. So if you've been here before, I thank you for coming back, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit subscribe, leave a comment and let's rebuild this channel together.